How to do a SIM swap on MTN. First, get a new MTN SIM and complete the required RICA registration. The new SIM must be activated before starting the swap. Step 2. Insert the new SIM and dial this number. MTN's current prepaid page specifically gives this USSD code for starting a SIM swap. Step 3. Follow the SIM swap prompts. Follow the instructions displayed after dialing the code and provide the requested information to confirm that you're replacing the SIM associated with your existing MTN number. MTN states that the old number must still be active or available on its network and that you must be RICA compliant. Step 4. Wait for the old SIM to be deactivated. Once the swap is processed, the old SIM is disconnected and the new SIM is activated with your existing number. MTN says the new SIM cannot take over the number until the old number is deactivated from the network. MTN says the new SIM cannot take over the number until the old number is deactivated from the network. Step 5. Check the new SIM. Once the swap is complete, the new SIM should now work with your old MTN number. MTN says your unused airtime, credits, subscriptions, and qualifying benefits remain associated with the number after a successful swap. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.